Hello everyone. Let's start SSC real-time classes. Okay, so today we will discuss basically how to create a hierarchy and how to use basically hierarchy in SSC. Okay, SAP Analytical Cloud. So let's start. So you can see already we have logged into SSC server here. Okay. So now you can see under here in the left panel you have a more options. Under this you will have here model. Okay. So we are just create a model. Okay, based on your flat file. Okay, we are going to extract the data from flat file. Okay. So let's see here. I am going to extract the data. Okay, which is in CSV format, Excel data. Just click here. Now you can see here. So this is the data we have it. Okay, already a flat file is available. Okay, just select and click open, and it is going to import the data from file. Okay, now you have to click import. So the data is going to import from Excel or CSV format. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, a minute. So once imported successfully, okay, it would be the message. Okay, your Excel, okay, has been imported successfully. Now you can see here it is still in. Okay, now you can click OK. Now you can see here your data has been exported successfully. So this is, you can see the data. We have a row ID, order ID, date, product. Okay, we have a sales discount. So these are all we have a fields like product. Okay, you can see here we have a product name. Okay, you can see this is a product name. We have a even category. If you just see here, you can see here this is a product category. Okay, we have a product name and we have a product category as well. Okay, so let's select the product name. Okay, so let's discuss basically what is a hierarchy. So basically hierarchy is a parent child relationship. So we will see how basically a relationship established between parent and a child. Okay, and how it is useful to drill down your reports. Okay, if you, in case you will create a story and you have to check or see the features of a drilling, okay, of the parent child feature, so that would we are going to tell you here. Okay, so let's, before going to create a story, I would like to create here the model. Okay, and establish the relationship between child and parent. So let's here, assuming here the product name is a parent and a product category is the child of the product name. Okay, so let's select this product name. Okay, now you can see under here product name, you will see here, okay, add dimension attribute. Okay, just select this one. You will see here one option, parent child relates hierarchy parents. Okay, just select this one. Okay, now you will hear the objects. Okay, you have to select the category, product category. Okay, so you can select from here. See, I am going to select a product category. Okay, you can select it. Okay, so once done this one, then you can click on create a model. So we have to create a model first. So you can see once you created, you have established, you can see here product category is a child of product name. You can see this is the symbol automatically built. Okay, once you created the parent with child relationship, so you can see this is the symbol. Okay, automatically. So now you have to click on create. So it is going to validate in everything, data set and all. So wait a minute. So once validate, it will ask. Okay, now you can see it is. Now I am going to click on create. Okay, so which folder you want to save this one? So you can select here. So let's see, I am going to save here, like, okay, superstore kind of, or whatever the model you want. Okay, so let's see here, superstore sales. Okay, India, like this is the name of your basically the model we are going to create, and save this model under my folder favorite. Okay, you can just click OK. So it is going to a creation in progress. So wait a minute. So once created it, so okay, so wait a minute. So once done your creation of model, then you can create a story. And I would like to show you how basically whatever you have designed here, the relationship that would be, okay, is going to show you on report. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, now let's Okay, again I'm back here. Okay, it is saved successfully. Now, okay, I'm going to click here. Okay, go to here and I'm going to story here. Okay, so now you have to, okay, select the story basically. Okay, so let's canvas. I'm going to classic design experience, select here, and now here you have to select basically. Okay, so what are the basically you want to, from where you want to basically your where is your data basically. Okay, so you can see so many options are there here. Okay, so let's, I'm going to add basically. Okay, so you can add here or you can see insert here, both options are available here. So let's say I'm going to insert. See, this is the model which we have saved earlier. Just select, okay, and click continue. Now you can see, okay, your model is going to display here. Now you can see. Now, okay, now I'm going to show you here basically how basically let's, okay, so 1 second, it is, let me again create that one. So wait a minute. Yeah, insert the particular, okay, this one. Okay, again I'm going to create it, that one. Okay, so now you can see it is available. Okay, now you can, okay, you can see here. Now you can select your chart here, basically column and bar chart. Okay, I'm going to select column bar chart. Okay, in which format, like horizontal, vertical, whatever you want, you can select here, horizontal or vertical. Now you have to add your basically, okay, like measures basically. So let's see, if you want to sales and profit, you can select here sales and profit. See, this is sales profit. Or if you want anything like costing, you can select the costing as well. So depend upon your product margin, you can select product margin. So let's, I'm selecting here two, like product and sales here. Okay, so once select this one. Okay, now, okay, you have to select a dimensions as well. So let's see here, you can see multiple dimensions are there. So he said, you can see here product name is there. Select this product name. Okay, now you can see the product name basically. Let me drill this. Okay, so let me pull this screen so that it would be easier to see the, yeah, you can see, yeah, this is a full screen. You can see how it is look like. Okay, so now the feature basically. Okay, you can see this is the drill option here. Okay, you can click here furniture product name. So you can see, depend upon the product, see it is working like this. Okay, so how it is working, when you can see the label of, like it is the first label. See, you can see, if you see supply office, so you can see this is the data for supply offices. So technology, you can select, you can see the data of technology. So this is basically, we have a features of drill. If you select here, if you want a second level of drilling, you can click here product name. Okay, you can see the second level of drilling. See, this second level of drilling is available. So this is how basically look like. Okay, if you can, okay, if you want a default, you can see the default. If you want a level one, you can see the level one. So this is basically parent and child relationships features. Okay, and how this is works. So you can see here. So this is how basically we can see here the parent and child relationship. Okay, with your product name and similar to the categories. So here we have defined a product name is a parent and category, product category is a child. So this is the feature we would like to show you here. So this is how we can design a story based on your model with parent and child relationships. Okay, thank you for attending. If in case any questions, please comment, and if in case any query, you can just drop a mail, and definitely you should subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.